Hey guys, you're making the white noise a lot. Hold on, guys. Do you know who's shoveling outside? I heard you guys say it 3 times. Can you hear me? Thank you for letting me hear you guys earlier. Twice. Trying to again, you said? You don't have to. But if you want to, I'd love it. I really like hearing you guys talk. A lot of people do, I think. There's a lot of people calling this a scam, this app. You guys are proving that it's not. Damage? Damage to what? I've never heard you guys say that. What did you say damage for? You guys are getting along, right? I hear you guys calling Tom. You're repeatedly saying it. What is that you guys are doing to the speaker right now? That's new. You guys are cool. Thank you. Wow. Wow. I almost heard you. Can you do it one more time? You guys are getting good at this today. Really good. The more you guys are practicing, the better you're able to do it. I'm trying to get somebody to help, whether it be from a different state or the same place, to make it so we can hear you guys like that every time. It's rare that you guys do that for really anybody. So that makes you really special, honestly. Is that you? Who am I looking at? Who am I looking right at right now? Catch him? I'm not catching anybody. You guys can talk to me though. I'm just here to listen to you guys, which is great. Could you give me one more white noise before I stop this video anyways? Still gonna talk to you guys. Heaven? Who went to heaven? So when you guys are playing Echovox, like I said, you're probably going to think it's just radio stations or whatever, which it's not, until you give them like a little bit of a response time, like at least 10 seconds, then you'll hear them come through, intelligently respond to you, really intelligently. I heard you. You guys are proving people wrong. Hi, Tom.
Thanks.
Say something, Tommy. I hear you. How are you? You guys are doing amazing. I told you guys it's just like the phone. Someone needs to come down here and help me with this. You guys are doing great. What were you guys just saying? You can turn that off now, Mom. Turn the volume down a little bit. So like I said, someone could come down here, help me get this megahertz, because you can't do it on video. It's all distorted a little bit. And we'll figure something out here. Because they are onto something. They are with me. We're working together here.